Okay, we made adjustments on the mouth. I'm taking a little bit off back in here, taking some down in here so it'll open wider. And we're going to put our spring on and our string so we can check that. We got our head here. We got this taken out back in here. So we'll hook the mouth up and see if we have to make more adjustments or not. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. I think we're going to be okay. By taking this out in here, we get more in the mouth to move, which is pretty good. We want to check our tension on our string. We're going to use our 1/2 inch dowel that we cut, which goes in here. And that's going to work good. So there's no catching in there, nothing, so we're in good shape there. So we'll glue this dowel in here and let it set up, then we'll move on to the next step. We also drilled our holes here for our pieces to go in for the ears. Thanks for watching.